What does a bookkeeper do? Brought to you by Boogle's Bookkeepers. If you enjoy the content, please do subscribe, like and share the channel. So what does a bookkeeper do? Often asked this question. So in a nutshell, bookkeepers look at what actually happens in a business and they record it. So normally they are using some sort of system. It may be manual, as in paper, in a book, in a ledger. That's where the original word came from, bookkeeper, keeping the books, keeping the ledgers. Or nowadays, increasingly, it's online and on some sort of accounting system. Example of a cash book, and this could be a ledger book. So what you have here is two columns known as a debit and a credit. You've got money coming in, so this is the receipts, and then you've got payments going out, and these are the list of expenses. And so what you've got here is a list where there's a date, there's a reference, for example, it's a backs payment. You've got details, so here we've got TJ Limited, and then the total amount 150. The first line was the opening balance. TJ Limited paid in 150, and we put it in the column of sales. And what would happen is you go through the whole year, you tot up these columns, and then you can see this is the total amount that came in sales. This is the total that came in for, let's just say, product 2, product 1, whatever it is. You can have as many lines as you like. This is the amount that came in for bank interest, sundry receipts, capital injected. So you'd add up all those columns. The cash book of money going down the drain, basically money going out, payments. So you've got the date, you've got a reference, DC meaning debit card, and you've got the payee details. So for example, this is a ticket machine. So its total was £20 and it's in the column of travel. Could be rent and rates, could be office expenses, bank charges, advertising and marketing. So a bookkeeper, for example, keeping a cash book, logs in money coming in and then the payments going out. So this is the money coming in. You can see more closely the date, the reference details, and the money going out. And again, you can have as many columns as you like down here. This has just got 5, but there could be 25. So it's just as long as the page, as long, however long your page is, or however long you want your spreadsheet to go on for. The end result, after the bookkeeper is keeping these records, is that you have a picture of how the business is performing. You've got your total income, your total costs, and that will give you your profitability. You will know who owes you money and who you owe money to, and it gives you your tax position. So that is the work of a bookkeeper. That is what bookkeepers do. Any other questions, please email them in to admin@booglesltd.com. And if you've enjoyed the content, please do subscribe, like and share the channel.